I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Minecraft Migrator Cape, a special cosmetic item. This unique cape was a reward for players who transitioned their legacy Mojang accounts to Microsoft accounts. It's important to understand that the official migration period for these accounts has now concluded. Therefore, while we can discuss its history and significance, new migrations to obtain this specific cape are no longer possible. The Migrator Cape served as a badge of honor, signifying a player's move to a more secure account system. This migration brought several benefits, including support for two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection. It also unified all Minecraft games under a single Microsoft account, streamlining the player's experience. The cape itself was a permanent addition to a player's character, proudly displayed in the game. Historically, obtaining the Migrator Cape involved a straightforward account migration process. Players would visit the official Minecraft website, log in with their Mojang credentials, and follow on-screen instructions. This typically included verifying their identity with a code sent to their email, and then linking or creating a Microsoft account. The goal was to seamlessly transfer ownership and access to their Minecraft Java edition to the new Microsoft system. As of December 18, 2023, the official migration period for Mojang accounts to Microsoft accounts has ended. This means the Migrator Cape is no longer obtainable through this process. If you did not migrate your account before this date, you would need to purchase Minecraft again with a Microsoft account to play. While this specific cape is unavailable, other capes might be offered through special events or in-game purchases, so keep an eye out for those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.